Hi, and welcome to the course of 3ds Max Express. My name is Ivan Nikitin, and I'm sure that here, your immersion through the world of 3D graphics will be effective. The main mistake novices make is when they learn 3 lessons from various authors who say different things and use different systems of work. The result is that 90% of given information creates an incomprehensive mess inside your head. I am happy for you because you are watching this video, and that means that you are on the right track. It's all because we've worked for 3 years and developed a quick and effective educating system, and by now, several thousand pupils have proven that our system works. This means that you will succeed as well, and in this video, I will show you the purpose of visualization and how to reach cool and realistic results on the basis of real examples of how visualization is presented in 3ds Max. Here are a few examples of works created by our pupils just after 1 month of studying with my system. Let's jump in. Here's one of the projects we've created in 3D Max. It's a fully designed apartment, and it's something we've done. So here's the camera angle, which will later be rendered, and here's the result. Now you see the result. So that's how it looks in 3D Max, and that's the final result, and that's how it looks in 3D Max again. So let's get into detail. All these are models, and we can move them around and interact with them. Move the couch, grab the pillows up and down. These models exist separately from one another. So here are the lights, so we can individually select different sources of light. These are the sources of light on the ceiling. I'll show you again. Some lights over here in the niches that shine and glow. All the lights over there are movable and replaceable. So the floor lamp we can move up and down, and so on and so forth. There are also materials that you can change. The surfaces can be chosen and can be either matte or glossy. Also with the TV, the upholstery on the couch can be of different color and texture. So you can basically change it as you go. Now let us have a walk around the apartment. Here is the hallway. Now it's a hallway. These are various utensils and shoes. On the right, you can see the lampshades and the panel and the TV panel as well, the couches. Now all you can see was created in 3D Max, and there's some background which is seen in the window. There's also kids' room, which is quite brightly colored. The bedroom is right around the corner. That's the kind of project we have. There was also a balcony, which we decided not to make. The images of projects you see right now are made by our students, and it's called visualization. It's been made from ground up in 3D Max, having only basic floor plans, basic data on which color schemes to use, and the general size of the area. So you're basically given the area and you're doing it by hand from your head. Let's see now who needs visualization and why. First, developers in design studios. When they are making the projects, it is easier to promote and sell it if it's a pretty picture and not just an array of sketches. Estate developers, when they build flats and houses, they firstly design a feature project and show pretty and realistic photographs of buildings to the buyers or investors, and then they start to work. Trading centers and shops, upon planning new offices, also do visualization. Business centers similarly, realtor companies, in order to sell the property, also do various design projects in order to show anything but naked walls. Renters of areas in trading centers to negotiate their future offices in trading centers also do visualization. And furniture companies to present new collections of furniture. They surely do not manufacture it in showrooms like it's seen in catalogs, but use visualization instead, and there are many more. So how much can I earn through visualization? Well, there are a few examples over here. There are singular projects, and on the right are office-based projects. So these are different regions and different companies. That's why, regardless of where you live, you'll be able to find a job like this, and nowadays it's mostly remote. Here you can see the order of prices. 50,000 rubles, 2 bathrooms will be 5,000 rubles, 1 bathroom can be made in 3 hours, so 6 hours of work will be 5,000 rubles, and so on. There are many projects, you can pause the video and see, starting at 5,000 rubles and up to 100,000 rubles per project. Here, visualization of 50 square flat for 16,000 rubles. There are multiple interiors and seemingly large amount of work. They didn't want to hire a person for the office and decided to split it into different projects. In the office, same thing. Depending on the region and the company, you can earn from 30 and up to approximately 80,000 rubles. Let's move on and see what should you learn and which starting skills can you apply for the job. Overall, you don't need much. Desire to work and earn, head and arms, and basic computer skills, meaning you must have the knowledge of the use of the internet and how to use the operating system. The rest is learned fairly quickly, and in this course we will help you on your first stage. So which benefits can visualization bring, and what can it give you in perspective? For someone it's just a favorite hobby. For about 4 years before I did it professionally, I've been practicing it as a hobby and didn't earn anything. But then I began to earn. So here you have artistic possibilities. If you wish to do design, it has its place as well. The freedom of movement is what I like most about this job. You can be anywhere and at any time. Because I love to travel, and 3 or 5 times a year with my wife and kids, and we move out for a month and live in a different country, and it's a great experience. It's an amazing experience, and which doesn't interfere with my work, because everything you do, you can do online. You can get paid online and set the results of your work online, and you can work from just where you are. And also financial benefits. For the past 3 years I have had about 5 cars and I like it a lot. I love diversity and you can do it as well. Let's see what good visualization consists of. The first thing are models, objects that have volume, which you can see. Second are materials, texture, layouts, reflection, color, lights, and so on. Next thing are area lights to make sure that it's beautifully lit. It could be light from the window or light sources placed on the inside, or it could be both. Next, the right camera angles set in 3D Max. We've only had 2 cameras here. One looks towards the kitchen and the other is facing the dining room. Next, rendering settings, which really are a technical thing, but there are presets which you can use and you rarely have to change them. Development of your renders in Photoshop is the final step, and it's done after you finish rendering in 3D Max. You can use Photoshop or similar piece of software. If it's all done right at each stage, then you can get an amazing result which you have worked for. So that's how it looks, and you will be able to create such projects from ground up to the end if you wish. In further lessons, we'll discuss how to install a licensed 3D Max, and then there will be a video of how to create an interior just in one lesson. Keep an eye on our deliveries and other addresses to your address box, just to make sure that our emails and letters definitely reach you. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Feel free to ask questions if you have any, and I will respond to them. Also, like our page and get started with the 3D graphics experiences, and I will do my best to help you. My name is Ivan Nikitin, and I hope you like this video. See you later, bye!